minutes. You're welcome to Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing team. It's to produce made in Nigeria vehicles. We took up a couple of years ago. At our very early stages of it was basically a very big. No sooner did the governor of Anambra State, Mr. Obi, came here to lay the foundation stone. Two of our Chinese engineers and the Nigerian workers, we have jumped there. That almost made our technical partners to quit and abandon the whole thing. We called on the governor to help us. He went as far as the Chinese embassy and all whatnot to help us secure their release. Unfortunately, one of them died in the process. One was able to be released by the efforts of the Nigerian Armed Forces. From there, we continued. We never knew we will realize what you are witnessing today. That's basically a summary of the Innoson story. Not only did the government and governor of Anambra State stop at that, the road you just went through, it was built solely for the purpose of Innoson as a form of encouragement, because after what happened, we almost abandoned the effort and the whole thing. And since then till date, the same Anambra State has remained the biggest customer of Innoson. The vehicles, well, when we go out, you see, because we have on order with them 300 units of pickup, 200 units of SUV vehicles. All the refuse disposal trucks you see in Oka and here in Nnewi, we are all produced here. The sort of encouragement we have received from them, it's unparalleled. In fact, they have surpassed what we thought they were going to do. Because basically, Innoson is 100% effort of this young man. The government has no interest, no other person. It was conceived, developed, everything by him from scratch. From now on, I am not a technical person. He knows, he's not an engineer, but he knows every process here. And I know you are short of time. If we every range of vehicles, we produce commercial vehicles, 40, 14, 20-seater, 33, 38-seaters, refuse vans, big, small, medium, pickup trucks, SUVs, and all whatnot. But daily, weekly, we keep changing, we keep improving our model, because it's basically as a result of this can-do attitude that whatever you find there can be replicated here in Nigeria. And since then, no matter the difficulty, no matter what, he has remained resilient with little or no encouragement. We needed that back. When we started like framing the flame, after that, my name is
Just like this. I'm producing at Nnewi here. Another factory are supplying us by Christmas industries. Yes. This one is using plastic seat. Yes, it's complete. You can enter. Come and see. Yeah. You can.
With one cameraman.
Yes. Full air condition. Air condition. No, because we are. I can start with you. Come and see. Let's go. No assembly. No assembly. Manufacturing. Assembly. Amala. Start the car on. This one can start the other one.
The motor has started. Okay, that's ready for Lagos. Yes. What carry can lost first?
Can you start this one? Okay. See how it is now. This one has one treatment.
Sorry.
Before it's not something now. Now there's some chemicals that make it
And the lights. The road. And the road.
Okay, I'm just running all this thing.
See now, you can imagine how much you've been expending on
buy the paper from you.
It's for extending light, it's very cheap. China will carry car. Carry one China car.
So that's what difference are. You see, okay, you see the battery we're using. Yes, it's pure mineral. They make battery from scratch. With the back, they make the red by themselves. They form everything. Only the cut of their printing in their printing place. All the 100% battery they make it in their factory. You better here, yes. To produce it. To produce them. Yes. Let me put the here. It's 100% PP. Yes, yes, yes. Even I made any type of bomber I can produce. Even pigeon, I produce pigeon bomber. Innoson technical. Yes. Very close to the MLS. Very close to the airport. Yes. Yes, we make them soon. My plastic factory is the biggest plastic factory in West Africa. Yeah.
Which factory?
Plastic, where we make all these things. Yes. Yes. The problem we are having is that, number one, Abuja environmental want to buy dustbin. They give the order to the German. You understand? When the German comes to buy from us, he said that they take him to come and buy from us. He said that he prefers to go to Germany to buy. So how can we work for German? Let them bring their own and test with my own and see the one is better. There is a gun to produce, but I use virgin material because there's element petrochemical that supply me the material. They are using old one they have used and the grind it and supply to Nigeria. Instead of them to buy the original one here, they prefer to go to Germany. My dustbin is the one that Ghana government are using. Ghana buy from us. Yes. But they are importing our own to Germany. Instead of them to buy it. And my own quality is better than my own. So I don't understand.
They should believe in themselves. They should believe in this and buy it. By the time all our traditional rulers are driving around in this city, in their communities, by the time all our school children are moving around in these vehicles, by the time our vigilanted groups are moving around in those bigger vehicles, the entire number will become aflame with this product. The message is out there. And people need to buy it. And the advantage is that because they are made here, there's a problem. They can fabricate the parts for you, not to even import it. If it's for repairs, you can bring it back here. If it's new parts, you can replace it here. And that's something to encourage them to buy the products here because it's ours.
So now, madam, academically, from the angle of government, since we already have a factory like this, do you think government is ready to take any measure by, like, putting on ground an academic institution that has to do with automobile technology?
I don't know, but what I know is that our university students are really coming here to look at things. Production engineering students, mechanical engineering students, this is the vantage place for practical attachment. And hundreds of young people are employed here. If you come here at the close of work, when they troop out, you see the advantages. The children in universities are already coming here. Technical colleges are already coming here. So I don't think there's any need to go and put an institution. If they want, there is a very level. Thank you very much.